equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the power jack on your Dell Vostro laptop. This task requires precision and the right tools, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a clean workspace. Ensure you have a replacement power jack compatible with your Dell Vostro model. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the power jack. It is usually situated near the charging port. Carefully disconnect the power jack from the motherboard. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, remove the old power jack from its housing. This may require some gentle wiggling or the use of tweezers to pull it out. Ensure that you clean the area where the new jack will be installed. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris, as this can affect the connection. Take your new power jack and insert it into the housing. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the power jack to the motherboard, ensuring that the connection is firm. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional assistance. Once the new power jack is in place, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. After reassembly, insert the battery back into the laptop and connect it to a power source. Power on your device to test the new power jack. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the power jack on your Dell Vostro. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to get your laptop back in working order. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful in guiding you through the replacement process. Happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.